Done with my hair. I'm gonna take this new year personal. So cold. Hi guys, I just got back from my nails appointment. I got back to the delivery. Let's unbox it together. Hi guys, so I have my hair appointment at 6, so let's go to the salon. Let's get this transformation now. My body's tea is giving. Guys, I'm so excited, oh my god!
I'm not the only one watching now. This is not my phone. Tired. There's someone to talk to me on top of my own life again.
Guys, don't be streaming my hair. I wanna cry.
Oh, my people fear.
I'm done with my hair and I look so good. So tomorrow we're going to be going for a photo shoot, my birthday photo shoot. So we're going to be doing that tomorrow. Bye guys. Oh my. Hi guys. Good morning. So today is 19th and I'm about to get my makeup done because I'm going to be going out for lunch with a friend, and I would also get to take my birthday picture. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing like a full makeup glam hair because obviously I'm in a hurry and I don't want the videos to be too long. If you want to watch my birthday glam, how I prepared, I'm going to be posting it on TikTok as well as YouTube shorts, so you're going to see it there. So I'll just show bits of it. Wow, can we take a minute to appreciate the glow? Like the sun is hitting me in the right spot. The sun knows that it is my birthday. Guys, I look so good. So yeah, without further ado, let's get my makeup started. My hair still eats. I'm not so good with makeup, but this makeup has to eat. This makeup must eat. Guys, I had to tie my edges because I was about to mess it up. And I don't want that now, do I? We've not even got the birthday started. This hair has to be on lock until I'm done. And that's a Mary Hadley Glam. So I'm gonna be using Too Faced in Butterscotch. I'm the only one that loves when it comes to applying blush. I love it so much. Guys, Huda Beauty in Kunafa. So I'm just like pressing it into my skin. I'm not the only one that gets like a subtle reaction whenever I'm using makeup. I'm gonna be using this bronzer. Okay. Guys, no editing. This is just camera and look at. I'm not even done with my makeup, but can you see? Ugh, damn. So, see you guys when I'm done. Hi guys, so I'm at a restaurant now with my friend. My birthday is tomorrow and I'm super excited. I can't wait. So we just ordered something and we're waiting for it to get here. Hi boo boo.
Hello. Do you want me to serve you?
Sure, thank you girl. Cheers. Thank you girl. What's up for you? My birthday is tomorrow and she came out for me. Thank you.
You deserve everything.
I know.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, baby.
Happy birthday.
Hey guys, so I came to get my tripod because I forgot it at my stylist's house. So I'm going home now to pack and then I'll edit my picture. I don't even know if I'll sleep this night because my flight is very early in the morning and I need to have my pictures ready and pack and do everything. But let's get home first. Hi guys, so I'm home now. Today was a really successful day. I had so much fun and I got to take pictures, make videos, spend the day with my friend. I really just enjoyed myself. So now that I'm back home, I need to pack as soon as possible. So now let's get packing. I'm also done packing. I'm gonna be ending this video and then the next video I'm gonna be posting is my travel vlog. So guys, let's get to it. This is the bag I'm gonna be going with. And obviously I'm not packing all of this. I'm just going to pack for a few days because I'm only going for a few days. So let's get packing. I'm going to be traveling with this because I need them. Only this has already taken the whole space and I've not even started. Then I'll also be going with this. I'm going to put it inside here. I'm going to be going with it. Then this is a headband. I'm going to be going with this today. I'm going to use it for one of the activities I'll be doing over there. So I'm just going to pack it here. This dress, which I'm definitely going to be using there for the birthday. My birthday. I'm the birthday girl, period. I'm also going to be packing this, which I'm also going to be using there. You guys are going to be seeing it there. So I pack like this now, we have space. Bible, my journal, my book, So I think I'm gonna put this in my bag. So it should just be here for me. I got this to put my liquid. I need the slippers to it from here. This is the gym wear I'm gonna be going with. It's a 2-piece. And this is another bikini. I don't know if I'll be needing it, but I just want to take an extra in case I need it. So I want to like try it. So I'm just gonna go with this. Guys, I'm someone that loves writing lists. Like I said, I love taking out stuff. The robe, but I also brought my robe. What I need to use for my other activity is on here. I feel like it's best for the activity in question, but I'll still take something else just in case. So I'm going to be wearing this, and I intend to carry a jacket, another jacket, maybe my leather jacket. I should go with this leather jacket or this leather jackets. But what I'm wearing it with is already black and black. So I'm just gonna pack this. All of this I just let me just clear them out. Give me 1 second. So I'm done packing. Okay guys, so I'm finally done packing. My bed is in about 30 minutes time. Oh my god, I'm so excited, and I thank God for giving me life, for making me be alive to see this new year. And I'm gonna take this new year personal. I'm actually gonna focus on myself completely and do everything I can to become my best, highest version. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Like I said, the next vlog that is coming up is gonna be my birthday vlog, and I'm gonna be traveling. So see you guys soon. Love you.